Veka, Theresa May is flying into a cloudy and wet Cape Town. Light rain expected throughout the morning. The rain will slowly start to clear up into the rest of the day. It will remain mostly cloudy to cloudy and chilly in the mother city, with only a temperature of 16 degrees and light to fresh northwesterly winds blowing. But this morning, as mentioned, across South Africa over the central parts, it is freezing cold in the shade of blue, with temperatures almost looking like midwinter. -2 this morning in Dar, as well as Kimberley and Bethlehem. And just before sunset, the temperatures will plummet even more in Johannesburg. You mentioned it's a little bit warmer this morning, but we are expecting a low of 2 degrees in Johannesburg just before sunrise. A low of 4 degrees in Pretoria and 3 expected in Pietermaritzburg, and also a cool start to the day for the southern coastline with 8 degrees in George. It will warm up as the day continues in the northeastern part with 22 in Mahikeng. Still mild in Johannesburg with only a high of 20 degrees today and also 22 in Pretoria. But it's still cool in the shade of green, with temperatures mostly remaining below 20 degrees. Only a high of 17 degrees in Georgia and 19 in Port Elizabeth, and lower 20s today for KwaZulu-Natal. Today, more drizzle expected in the morning along the eastern escarpment as well as parts of the Lowveld. We're expecting a mostly dry day for central South Africa, but more light rain in the forecast for the peninsula as well as Cape Town and the mountainous areas of the Western Cape, with a 20% chance for the surrounding areas as well as parts of the Overberg. Mostly light winds expected today over the central parts of South Africa, with a fresh southwesterly wind along the coast of the Eastern Cape with a wind speed of 30 kilometers per hour today in East London. And then into Wednesday, sunny and slightly warmer across South Africa. A mostly dry day with temperatures in the lower to mid-20s. A high of 22 in Bloemfontein as well as Johannesburg, and reaching a high of 24 in Mahikeng, Pretoria, and 23 degrees expected in Durban. A cool day yet again for the Western Cape with only 19 in Cape Town and 17 degrees in George. And then on Thursday, a partly cloudy day for the Western Cape as well as along the southern coastline, but sunny and much warmer for eastern South Africa with a high of 28 degrees in Pietermaritzburg as well as Richards Bay. Well, that's all from the Weather Centre for now. Back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much, Annette. We'll hear